Hey, Mike the Marketing Medic here, and today in my ongoing series on traffic, what I want to do is talk about Facebook targeting, okay? Here's what you need to understand about Facebook, and you probably already know this, is that every breath you take, every move you make, Facebook is watching you. It's like that old police song, okay? So if you're seeing this video as a Facebook ad, it's probably because somewhere in your past on Facebook, you've indicated that you've liked Russell Brunson or maybe Ryan Deiss, that you've shown interest in ClickFunnels or Infusionsoft, something along those lines, okay? Because what I do is I help businesses, I help online entrepreneurs with their marketing. I help them with their strategy. I help them with their traffic. I help them with build their funnels, okay? And so it only makes sense if those are the things that I do, that I want to target people that are interested in people like Ryan Deiss and Russell Brunson, and that they're interested in platforms like Infusionsoft and ClickFunnels, okay? So that's pretty obvious. That makes perfect logical sense. Every marketer that's ever done anything on Facebook hopefully has targeted that way. But here's the thing that you should do that is a little bit different, okay? You need to keep in mind that we like to buy from people that we know, like, and trust, all right? So let me bring up Sam Ovens. Okay, Sam also teaches people how to make money online, how to build their business, all that other stuff. He does a lot of stuff that's similar to myself. But here's the thing. Sam, he lives in his penthouse up in Manhattan or whatever. All of his videos are in that penthouse, big glass window with the skyscape, skyscape. Yeah, that's right. Behind him, the cityscape behind him. He's all about the wealth, the money, the bling, okay? Now look at where I am. I am at my home in the woods. You can hear the birds singing. You can see these flies buzzing around me. I'm actually in an antique buggy that I just refurbished, and I'll put a picture of it up there. But here's the thing. So when I targeted you because you were interested in marketing stuff, I've also targeted you because you have interests that are similar to mine. Not similar to my business interests, but similar to my personal interests, okay? So I'm a huge dog lover. I bet you like dogs, right? How do I know this? Because I did that targeting as well. When I said that you like Russell Brunson or Ryan Deiss, I also said, and you like dogs. Or I might have said, and you like the outdoors, and you like camping, and you like off-grid stuff, because that's me. Personally, when I'm not doing marketing, I live off the grid. I live in the woods. I spend a lot of time canoeing, mountain biking, trail running, hiking with my dogs, okay? And so I want to target people with like interests, okay? If you're watching this video, I'm hoping that you're more attracted to somebody who lives an outdoor lifestyle than somebody who lives in a Manhattan skyscraper, okay? So that is my tip for the day, is that when you're doing your targeting, first you want to target for business interests. Make sure that the people that are seeing your ad have an interest in the business that you provide, but also target the people who will be attracted to you, okay? Again, I'm not knocking Sam. Sam's got a huge audience. Sam's clearly made a lot of money. He does well at what he does, but Sam's audience is different than mine. So why should I put myself in Sam's audience when they're going to hate me, right? They're going to see this hillbilly sitting on a 100-year-old buggy going like, what am I going to learn from this guy? So you want to make sure that when you're targeting people that'll be attracted to your business and also be attracted to you. All right. If you wanted to learn more about how to target those audiences, how to get in front of those audiences, how to make sure that, well, not make sure, but make it so that for every $1 you put in, you can get $2 back. Then go to www.themarketingmedic.ca, www.themarketingmedic.ca. That's where I can tell you all about Facebook tag, targeted audience growth, and how to best use your ad dollars to make sure that you're getting in front of the right audiences, that you're building your tribe while at the same time making sales. All right, guys, hope you got some value out of this, and I will see you on the next video. All right, see you then. Bye-bye.